Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a WordPress website using Hostinger. So first of all, you need to log into your Hostinger account and you might end up over here. At the top, you will find your websites option. Just click on this. You will end up over here and you might see your website over here. On the top right, you will find add a website. Just click on this option. Click on WordPress and here you can select what is your website type. You can choose any one of them if you want to. Right now, I'm just going to skip it. After that, this is very important. Make sure to enter the email and after the password. Once you enter that, you can click on continue. After that, you will see something like this. Add plugins to your website. If you want to select that, do it. And after that, click on continue. Here you can choose a theme. And in my best opinion, just click on preview on the Astra one. This is one of the best out there and it has so many features also. So in my opinion, go for Astra and you can click on select and continue at the top right corner. After that, here you can see that automate your text creation with AI. What happens that you are just going to enter your brand name over here and a description of your website. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Once you enter the information, just click on continue and you can see we just need to select our domain. So obviously I'm going with the existing one. Click on this. Here you are just going to enter the domain name and click on continue. Once you create your website, here at the websites menu, you will find your domain and obviously on the domain you will find your website. And if you want to open your website, just click on domain over here. As you can see, this is the website which we have chosen. And if you want to edit this later on, what you can do, just go back to dashboard. At the bottom, you will find edit website. Once you click on this, you can see this is the website which we have recently added and we have all the plugins also on the left side. So after that, just click on the left side of the menu, appearance and themes, and you can see this is the Astra theme. If you click on activate, you can see this is activated right now. Make sure to update it if you want to, but right now I'm just leaving it as it is and I'm going to show you that Astra has been created. So as you can see, this is the website which we wanted, and obviously there are multiple things which is missing from this website. Right now we have only one page. You add more pages on your website and edit them, you will see your website will look great. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to build a WordPress website using Hostinger. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.